project and operating system. Submitted by Heaven Divina T. Dela Cruz and Rain Ashley C. Simon. Submitted to Seredino Valentino. Hello. I'm Mayan. We are going to discuss page replacement algorithm. In a computer operating system that uses paging for virtual memory management, page replacement algorithms decide which memory pages to page out, sometimes called swap out, or write to disk, when a page of memory needs to be allocated. Page replacement algorithms. Actual implementations. Three types of page replacement algorithms. FIFO first in first out. LRU least recently used. OPT optimal. First, let's start with FIFO, otherwise called the first in and first out method. Consider a supermarket that has enough shelves to display exactly different products. One day, some company introduces a new convenience food. It is an immediate success, so our finite supermarket has to get rid of one old product in order to stock it. One possibility is to find the product that the supermarket has been stocking the longest and get rid of it on the grounds that no one is interested anymore. In effect, the supermarket maintains a linked list of all the products it currently sells in the order they were introduced. The new one goes on the back of the list, the one at the front of the list is dropped. Actual implementation. The page to be removed is easily determined because its identification number is at the top of the FIFO stack.
Created using Powtoon.